3D processing is hard. There are too many 3D apps, and workflows are non-standardized. Every processing step is tedious and time-consuming. Deadlines slip, overtime piles up. That's why we built RapidPipeline, the best-in-class toolset to get your 3D processing jobs done. RapidPipeline processes your 3D models to standardize workflows, streamlining handovers between tools so your team can move faster, smarter. It can handle everything from geometry optimization, preserving UVs or creating new atlases, material baking optimization, and a whole lot more. It supports over 30 formats, including V-Ray files, automatically translated to PBR, a wide range of CAD formats covering all the most popular in the industry, tessellated automatically for real-time. Convert assets to your desired format, then download and use them anywhere. Our toolset is scalable and cost-efficient, made to transform your 3D data, whether you are working on your own or on a big team of 3D artists. It can be used right where you need it, with our brand new add-ons for your favorite 3D tools, available for Blender, UnrealEngine, Substance Painter, Maya, and 3ds Max. Process isolated components, use your own hardware, and work fully on-premise. In our command line interface, also fully on-prem, with zero data exchange. In our web UI, run everything in your browser. No installs, just plug and play. Need to scale up? Batch processing is available via REST API or locally via the CLI. 3D processing made easy. RapidPipeline. Try it for free now.